Alright, so what we got going on here is we got a piece of plywood that I'm cutting out here. I measured out a section 16 by 32. We're going to start with that here. We're going to see where that gets us on our platform. That should fill out from basically about here to about there. So here we grow. We're going to make a puppy seat. Now to find the base. Alright, so first things first, we're going to see if this RZR 800 seat base will fit into our spot. And if not, figure out what we got to do to make it fit. I think we're going to have to do some trimming up here on the bottom here. Yeah. And I already tell we're going to have to clear this piece, so we're going to have to trim out an area here. That's not too bad, as long as we don't cut into too far where we're going to screw our wood to. Not too big of a deal. I don't think. That's pretty much all we're going to do there. A few marks here. Figure out where we got to cut our base, and we'll get that cut, and then we'll get our piece of wood cut over there, and we'll see about mounting that up. Hehehehe. Alright, test fit number 2. Let's see what this gets us. So we'll take the grinder and we'll grind some out of here. We'll make this fit. Oh yes, really. Or even if I could take this piece off, just extend it with some washers, maybe. Haha, maybe that's what we'll do. Maybe we'll take some pieces off here and extend it. Yes. Now, attempt number 3 here. Let's see what we got. There should be no reason why that does not. There we go. Perfect. Fucking right. That ain't going nowhere. Now, that's just all we needed right there. Was a little bit of trimming up under there so we could get up down deep enough, and then whatever, we just lifted that up there. That'll be perfect. It'll have a little bit of a slant down, but I mean, oh. Perfect. Now we get to cutting our wood. Nice. Cutting wood. So I'm not going to do anything. Measurements aren't going to be nothing precise here. We're just going to kind of go with an approximation here. Go with our eye. Cut that out about there. Ta-da! Test fit here. Okay. It's almost like I measured it. Perfect. There. Now we got our perfect shape. Ha! The perfect shape. Should almost. See, too bad it wouldn't, maybe. I could have probably cut it to go all the way, but whatever. She's pretty friggin' sturdy. I can always put a block of wood, but I got another plan. I got another plan of what we're going to put here for extra support. Even though once we got that there screwed down there, I think she's going to be pretty strong, but still, we'll cut the screws out after, once you get her screwed in. But here we go. That's our basic platform. Check this out. It comes out in a hoop too. So we'll just continue screwing this piece on. We'll put a couple more screws in there, not special, and you know, we'll use what we got around here. Ain't shy about it. So nice. We'll get that screwed on nice, and we're almost done. There, I'll screw it in. 6 screws. Should be plenty fucking strong. That ain't gonna go nowhere. I mean, if I wanted to, I could reinforce this a little bit. I think we'll be good for now until we move on to phase 2 of our plan. Nice. I'll just show you a little quick trick here, in case you guys never seen this before about taking screws out. Just need a hammer or something hard. Just keep banging it one way. Remember, by the time you get down to there, she'll break and she'll stay. Where'd she go? Oh, there she is. She'll stay in there, grabbed. Instead of bothering with a grinder or something along that lines. Yeah, I just smack those all out. And they break right off. Screw doesn't have no sideways strength. It's all about pull strength with the screw. So there you go. Fini solo. Alright, so there you have it. Dog bed fits in there perfect. Dog fits in there perfect. Lots more room to be comfortable, to get comfortable. And I think before we try taking him for another drive again, we're going to keep bringing him in the shed maybe, and we'll get him to lay down in his bed for a while. And then we'll train him like that, give him a few treats. He doesn't, I think I scared him a little bit the first time I brought him out there. He didn't groove on it too much. But I think if we wean him into it, he'll grow into it. Nothing to just throw his bed up on there and let him lay up on there when I'm doing some work in here and let him get used to. Okay, so I thought I'd maybe just do a little quick update just to show you guys just exactly how quick and easy, once you have this set up right, how quick and easy it is to install. So once again, see my base is just attached to this wood here, nothing sticking out here. She's pretty solid. She's been on a few rides for over a month now. Quite a bit of testing done on this here, man. Papa walked in quite a few hours already, so as you can see, fills in most of the area. I still got a little bit of room down here, so I can still put stuff down here if I need. Yeah, we'll put his bed in there and we'll show you. Alright, put the bed in. So, can't tell you how much I think this has made my life easier to get Mr. Grumpy Bum in the razor here, because at first he really didn't like it. He wasn't a big fan of it at all. I mean, check this out. So we've been about 30 days now. Check out how much he's grown. So, took a few rides. Hey, come on. Don't make me look dumb on camera here. Have to do an extra take. Just standing in a bad spot, that's why. Alright, come on. No, come on, get up on down in there. There you go. Good boy. Oh, you're such a good boy. And, oh, don't you want to reach out and pet him? He's such a wonderful dog. Can't ever believe somebody brought this guy to the SPCA. They sure don't know what they missed out on. But I'm sure I'm lucky. Yeah, so far, I mean, even as he gets full grown, I don't see that being a problem. Let's go for a ride. He just lays up there in his little bed. And we went out the other night. It was minus, it was in the minus high 20s, low 20s, I should say. Not low, high 20s, yeah. And
I brought a couple blankets to put over them. Man, it was so warm under those blankets. Kept my hands warm.